Hello and welcome to my Unbounce review and tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to talk about what is Unbounce, what are its features and pros and cons in detail. Okay, so watch this video till the end. And if you want to follow along, then I will give the Unbounce free trial link in the video description so you can try it yourself to decide if this platform is worth your money or not. Okay, so when you will log into your Unbounce platform, then you will see a dashboard like this where there are lots of options like pages, pop-ups and sticky bar integration like this. So pages is for creating the landing page. So if you want to create landing page, then you should select this option. So next is pop-up and sticky bar. So if, for example, if you have created your landing page and now you want to add a pop-up or sticky bar in your landing page, then in that case you can design pop-up and sticky bar using this option. Next is integration. For example, let's say you have designed your landing page and you have added a form in your landing page and you want to connect that form with ConvertKit or any other email marketing tools, then in that case you can use this integration option, and there are lots of integrations available, so you can connect Unbounce with any other service you want using this integration feature. Next is domain. So if you want a custom domain for your landing pages, then in that case you can connect your domain with Unbounce. For example, you have created a landing page and you want a custom domain in landing page URL like for example sumitsao.com/get your ebook like this. So if you want a custom domain like sumitsao.com or blogginglib.com, if you want a custom domain in your landing page, then what you can do, you can connect your WordPress domain here, or you can connect a new domain using connect a custom domain option. Just click on it and it is very easy to add your domain here. Just follow the instruction and you can add your custom domain in Unbounce platform. Next is some common settings related to embedding any kind of code, email notification, all these things. So now we are going to start this review and Unbounce tutorial. So first we are going to discuss about Unbounce pages. Okay, that is landing page. So as we know that Unbounce is mainly used for creating the landing pages that can give you a higher conversion rate. Okay, so just click on this pages option and click on create new. When you will click on it, then it will show you lots of pre-made landing page designs. As you can see, you can select any of the page according to your requirement. So let's select this one. It is looking very good. As you can see the preview here. As you can see, it is looking very good. I'm going to give this landing page a name, for example Sumit Sao download ebook. You can give it any name, and then after giving it a name, you can click on this start with this template to select this template. Okay, as you can see, it has opened this template. If you want to check how it is looking, then you can click on this button to hide it, and after that you can review your landing page template like this. Okay, so as you can see, it has everything that we need in a good landing page. Okay, from testimonial to images, forms and everything. Okay, so let me again open this customization tab. So if you want to customize anything in this landing page, then it is very easy. Just double click on the element you want to edit. For example, if I want to change this heading, then what I can do, I can just double click on it and I can select it and I can replace it with anything else like Sumit Sao ebook. So you can write anything you want like this. And if you want to change the font size, for example, if I want to change the font, so if you want to change the font style, then you can select it from here. For example, I want to select Nonito extra bold, so it will look something like this. Okay, and if I want to change the size, then I can change it using this. I can change the text color according to my requirements. For example, I want to select this green color, then I can select this green color, and after that I can click on this choose button and it will change the color of my text. So whenever you will select any block, then you will see customization option in the right sidebar here. As you can see, you will see all the customization option for that particular section in the right sidebar. So in this way you can customize everything very easily. So if I want to change it to, for example, this is my S3 subheading, so I can select it S3. If it is S2 subheading, so I can select S2. So this is our main heading, so I'm going to select H1, and I can also change the alignment using this option. So there are lots of customization option available, as you can see in the right sidebar here. Next is image. So if I want to replace this image with anything else, then what I can do, I can click on it and after that I will see customization option in the right sidebar as I already told you. So as you can see, it is showing the option to change the image. I can click on it and I can replace it with anything I want. So I want to replace it with my photo, so I have selected this and I'm going to select scale, image and fit. So as you can see, the image size is bigger as compared to form. So if I want to change the image size, then what I can do, I can, as you can see, it is showing me option here to customize this image size. So I can simply change the image size and I can place it anywhere I want. Just to select the image and I can place it anywhere I want. So I want to place it somewhere here and I want it a little bit more smaller. So now it is looking good and I want this from this side. So as you can see, it is very easy to customize everything inside the Unbounce. So I can select this. So for example, I want it here, somewhere here. So I can customize it like this. So now it is looking good, right? So in this way you can customize everything. And suppose if you want to add any text here, or you want to add any video here, so there are lots of options. Let me show you. So if I want to add video here, so there is embed video option here, as you can see. So I can drag and drop it here and I can paste my video URL or code here. Okay, so in this way, if I want to add any video here, so I can add it here. I want to add any image, I can drag and drop here and I can add any image I want like this. I can change the image size, increase or decrease the size. So it is very easy. I can place it anywhere. If I want above my image, then I can place it somewhere here. So it is very easy to customize everything in Unbounce. As you can see, I have added text and I have added this text above my image. Okay, so it is looking very natural and looking good. So in this way you can customize everything. So there are lots of options. If you want to add any section, box, text, image, button, light box button, embed video and custom templates. So if you want to add anything, then you can simply drag and drop element here. Suppose I want another button here, then I can drag and drop here. And as I already told you, whenever I will select anything, then I will get customization option in the right sidebar. So as you can see, if I want that whenever anyone click on this button, then I want to redirect them to blogginglift.com. So I can write blogginglift.com. So whenever anyone click on it, then it will redirect them to this website. And here button name is button. So if I want to change the button name with something else, then I can write it here, get instant access now. So as you can see, I can change it to anything else. I can increase or decrease the button size and everything. I can increase the text size if I want, then I can do it easily. So you will get all the customization option in the right sidebar. Okay, as you can see here. So in this way you can design your landing page with Unbounce. Suppose if landing page is ready, then what you can do, you can click on the save button to save everything you have done so far. And after that, what you can do, you can again go to your Unbounce dashboard. It will show your landing page here. So our landing page name is Sumit Saw download ebook. So as you can see, so suppose if this landing page is ready and I want to publish it on Unbounce platform, then what I can do, I can click on this and after that I can click on this publish button. So as you can see, this is my URL, landing page URL, sumitsaw.ubpages.com/Sumit Saw download ebook. So this is my landing page URL. So if I want a custom domain here, so what I can do, I already told you about it. You can go to this domain section and you can add your custom domain if you want to replace it with your custom domain. Okay, so after reviewing everything, I can click on publish page. So it will publish my page on Unbounce platform, and after that I can access that page using this URL. So if I will copy this URL and I will paste it in a new tab, then as you can see, it has published our landing page on Unbounce platform. So we have designed this landing page. It is looking very good, right? So in this way you can design your landing page using Unbounce platform. It is very easy to design it. So now let's talk about what are the pros and cons of Unbounce platform. So pros are, it is very easy to use. Okay, so there are lots of customization option. It has drag and drop editor, and it is a truly drag and drop, I can say. You can drag and drop element to anywhere you want. You can customize the text size and everything. It is very easy to do it in Unbounce. But there is one serious limitation in Unbounce, that it has lots of customization option and features inside the Unbounce platform. So if you are using the Unbounce platform platform for first time, then it will take you a hell lot of time to understand everything about Unbounce. Next is let's talk about Unbounce pricing plan. So Unbounce pricing start from $74 per month to $649 per month. So if you are just starting out and if you want to grow your business and you want more conversion, more lead and more sales, then Unbounce build plan is perfect for you. It has everything that you need in a good landing page builder. But I have a good news for you. You don't need to pay $74 per month, because I have given a special page link in the video description. So when you will click on the link given in the video description, that obviously that is my affiliate link. So when you will click on it, then you will see a landing page like this. Through this landing page, you can try Unbounce platform absolutely free for next 14 days to decide if Unbounce platform is worth your money or not. And suppose after 14 days you decided to purchase any plan, then you will automatically get 20% discount for first 3 months if you will pick any monthly subscription plan, and you will get 35% discount for entire year if you will pick any yearly subscription plan. So if you want to save money and if you want to test this platform before purchasing any plan, then you can check the link in the video description. And suppose if you don't find this platform helpful, then what you can do, you can cancel your subscription by going to your account setting within 14 days to avoid any charges. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I hope you found this Unbounce review and Unbounce tutorial video helpful. If you have any confusion regarding Unbounce platform, then please let me know via comment below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, friends. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.